Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have my Glamour Jewelry Box for April 2019. I love this box so much. The pieces in this box are absolutely stunning. I have not had a month that I was upset by any of the pieces, so I'm very excited. I am very excited to see what's in the April box. This box is $29.95 per box. It's $3 shipping. It auto-renews every month. You get 3 jewelry pieces every month, including a necklace, bracelet, and earrings, and you get to keep them all. And the retail value is over $75 every month in your box. So we're gonna open it up and I'm going to show you what I received. Don't mind my hair, don't mind myself today. I was a mess before I started this video. I will be a mess during this video. Abby is a mess today. So let's begin and see what I received. I did cut the tape. I don't know what's in here, but last month and the previous month, the box was like a pinky peach white box, and this month is a purple and blue box. So they changed it up a little bit. When you open up the box, it looks like this. And it says, this month's jewelry is a perfect set to kick off the spring season. It also tells you the retail value of each piece as well as a little description of each piece. So let's open it. Oh, so when you take off the little card, it just has this little peach bag that's nestled in like a little nest of squigglies, and it always looks very pretty. And I believe I think that all of this jewelry is from a boutique, like it's boutique jewelry, so that makes it nice too. All right, so let's open it. Oh, okay. Oh. This is very light, like very light. Kind of feels like plastic. Okay, so this is a silver cuff bracelet. It retails for $31. I don't know if I'd pay $31. It is super light, guys. I mean, very super light. Here is the front of the bracelet. Silver cuff bracelet, retail price is $31. This modern classic cuff provides a subtle and minimal look while giving a touch of flair. And it's very pretty. It's very shiny and sparkly, and it's very pretty. It's just, you know what's throwing me off is the weight of it. The weight of it is, it's barely anything. Like I could blow it off my hand. So I think that's it. And it's very, I don't know how to explain it. It feels kind of like plastic. It's beautiful. I'm not saying it's not beautiful. This is a great bracelet. If you don't like feeling jewelry on you, like sometimes if I wear a bracelet and it feels too heavy or chunky, I won't wear it. If you don't like feeling jewelry, this is a great bracelet for that. It is beautiful. Like it's a beautiful, beautiful bracelet. I think it's just the weight of it is throwing me off and the way it feels. The next two things are in these little tissue paper, and the first thing I'm going to open up is these earrings. Oh, these are pretty. These are very light too, super light. So these match the bracelet. Okay, so I think I'm getting to the feel of this kind of jewelry. So these match the bracelet very, like they match the bracelet perfectly. It's the same kind of material the bracelet is made out of. These are really pretty. They're hoops, and they have like the little backing of the earring on the actual earring, so it doesn't fall off. So these, I'm gonna show you one so you can actually see it. So here is the earring. The backing is right there, and it looks just like the bracelet. It has that beautiful, like beautiful shiny gems in there, stones in there. They're very pretty. And these are classic silver earrings. They retail for $23. These gorgeous earrings are bound to get compliments. We love this pair for work, the weekend, and everywhere in between. I would wear these earrings everywhere. I would, and they're very light. These earrings are so light, and I love that the earrings are light. I don't like wearing jewelry that is very heavy, so these are perfect. I don't know if I would pay $23 for these for sure. But $31 for a bracelet like this, I don't know, but if it was a set, I would pay for it. I would pay for this set for sure. Like I would pay good money for a set like this. Okay, and the last item that I have here is a silver necklace, and it retails for $25. It is very simple. This necklace pairs perfectly with a deep V-neck camisole or a casual tee. The chain is a very nice silver chain. Like, this is a very well-made silver chain. It's not one of those chains that's gonna break or it's gonna get caught on any kind of clothing you're wearing. It's a beautiful chain. And here is the little stone right there. It's just a very simple stone. I think this is beautiful. They always send jewelry that I'm gonna wear. Like, I don't like real flashy, like gaudy jewelry. I like it to be very simple because if it's not, I won't wear it. If it's not super simple, I won't wear it because I just don't wear, like, you know, I don't wear, I don't know, I just don't, I don't know. I don't wear a lot of, I just don't wear like fancy jewelry. I just never have. I've never been that way. I have a hard time putting on my wedding rings half the time, but that is beautiful. It's just it's a very simple, beautiful necklace, and I absolutely love it. I think it's stunning. This is something, I will wear this every day. I'll forget to take it off. I will wear it constantly. It is so beautiful. I'm so excited about this. And again, it was $25. So this month's box is valued at $79. And again, like I said, like I've said every month since I've been getting this box, I absolutely love this box. I'm a little iffy about the bracelet, but it has nothing to do with the way it looks. The bracelet's stunning and I would wear it. It's not that I wouldn't wear it. I love that it's solid. I love that it's a solid band underneath and that it has this right here so you can easily take it off because it's just so, it's like delicate. So I'd be afraid that I would break this, but the earrings and the necklace are perfect for me. I absolutely love them and you guys will see me wearing this all the time. Like I wear the other necklace that I got from them all the time. So, all right, guys, what did you think about this box? Did you think that it was good? Did you think that it was okay? Let me know in the comments below. Do you get the Glamour Jewelry Box? How do you like it? I love that they send this kind of jewelry. It's delicate, it's classic, it's beautiful. You don't have to be fancy to wear it, and you don't have to be any like style to wear this jewelry. It will go with anything, and I love that because I don't really have a style. I just put on stuff and wear it and feel good wearing it. I don't really have a style. So I love this kind of jewelry. I think it's perfect. All right, guys, that is it for today. I'll make sure to link my link for this box in my description box below so you can go check it out for yourselves. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.